And here we go for the overall trading action. So we're starting very quiet, flip-flopping around the flat line. 2 points up, 2 points down, 4 down, 1 up. It's just all over the place. It's simply blinking. And blinking in a very narrow band. The Nifty is not even 10 points up or down. So it's as confusing as it gets. Let's look at the overall architecture. Today, unlike yesterday, you do have several stocks on the red side of the screen as well. A lot of IT is weak. Infosys, there's Infosys, there's Tech Mahindra. They're starting on the weaker side. The banks also, for the time being, HDFC Bank, very, very cautious, 0.5% lower. Reliance is dragging its feet. So a lot of the bigger pockets of the market are under pressure. But then you have on the upside, you have BEL. Remember, we were just discussing this Defence Acquisition Council proposal, 67,000 crores worth of proposals being cleared up, and that's working well on some of the counters. BEL from the large cap screen for sure. But otherwise, guys, it's so super quiet. Even the mid cap index, absolutely flat right now.
Well, yes, and that's been the trend, right, over the last few days as well. We are trading in a very, very narrow band. But stocks that are moving around, Transrail Lighting, that's the stock of the morning from the broader markets. The stock is up 7%. The street clearly lacked those numbers, and that's where that stock is firing away. Ajmera Realty, that's the other one that's up close to around 8%. So massive move is what we're seeing on that name as well. Centum Electronics, it's a defense play out there. That's up close to around 10%. Volume's not very, very large on that particular name, but keep an eye out on that one. You have Gland Pharma. That's reacting very, very favorably to its numbers. Just take a look at that stock. Flying away as we speak. So big move is what we're seeing on that particular name. What's not doing well? Raymond Realty coming in for a hammering, down close to around 7%. CCL Products, down 8.5%. Big downtake is what we're seeing out there. Kitex Garments is the other one that's getting hit. And Gokuldas Exports, they came out with a set of numbers yesterday. The Trump uncertainty is going to plague two stocks. One is Gokuldas Exports and Welspun India as well. Because, they were supposed to be beneficiaries of lower tariffs. But if it's going to be the reverse of what it is right now, then in fact, they'll be the ones that'll get hit. That's why over the last few days, you have seen Gokuldas as well as Welspun Living that have got hit. For the time being, Welspun Living more or less flattish. Prima?
Well, the other defense stocks are also higher. You spoke about BEL, that's leading the charge in Nifty, but Bharat Dynamics too has a gain of nearly 1%. HAL also up in the green. Hindustan Aeronautics Defense Acquisition Council has cleared proposals worth 67,000 crore. The other big mover in the large cap space is Bharti Airtel. Remember, consolidated EBITDA was a beat, courtesy the Airtel Africa performance and the home broadband. So Bharti Airtel is up over 1%. But on the flip side, the other group company, Bharti Hexacom, is getting hit. The stock has declined 2% on the back of an earnings miss. And plus, remember, in the last 1 year, Bharti Hexacom is up 65%, whereas the Nifty mid-cap index has given a return of only about 3-4%. So Bharti Hexacom has outperformed. And on the back of this earnings miss, the stock is taking a bit of a hit. Britannia too. Street is disappointed with the volume performance. Mangalam is telling us 2% volumes versus expectations of 4 to 5%. So Britannia is one of the other drags today. In fact, a couple of the other IT names are also weak in trade. Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, all down more than about 0.5%. A couple of these Adani Group stocks are higher. Adani Ports is leading the charge, came out with numbers yesterday. That's up nearly 2%, extending the gains. Adani Enterprises is up nearly 0.8%. And keep your eye out on Trent, Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto. These three Nifty companies report numbers later. But, outside of these individual stock moves, look at that index. It's literally going nowhere. It's absolutely flat. But today is an event-driven trading session. So I think the first 1 hour is going to be quite tight till we get that RBI monetary policy decision.
Absolutely. I mean, the index, it's like the flows push it up or push it forward. But then all this tariff talk and earnings, it pushes it backward. So we're pretty much stuck, not going anywhere.